Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by making sure Face ID is active and your hidden album exists. Open Settings, tap Face ID and passcode, and authenticate to enable face unlocking. Once done, verify the hidden album appears in Photos. If it's hidden from albums, re-enable it in Settings Photos. Make a quick backup to iCloud or your computer now so you can restore if something goes wrong. This prepares the system to let Face ID gate access to hidden images without changing overall passcode behavior. Next, adjust Photos privacy so Face ID becomes the practical gatekeeper. In Settings Photos, ensure the hidden album is enabled. That creates a dedicated folder you can move images into. Then, check any app-level settings that allow Face ID for unlocking the Photos app. Enable them where offered. Now, select the photos you want hidden and move them into the hidden album. Doing this centralizes sensitive images and lets Face ID control immediate access while preserving your normal pass. Finally, test the flow by locking your device and attempting to open the hidden album. Face ID should authenticate you automatically. If it doesn't, make sure Face ID can see your face. Reposition, remove masks or glasses, and re-enroll face data in settings if needed. If the hidden album disappears or items are missing, toggle hidden album visibility off and on, then restore from the backup you made earlier as a last resort. This ensures you complete setup and have a recovery path if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.